Last section for college algebra, Mac 1105, is Chapter 8, Section 7, Graphing Systems of Linear Inequalities. First of all, let's just look at this example problem from the book. Let's make sure we understand that what we're going to really do is subtract the 3x over here and get y equals negative 3x plus 6. That's how we graph this line. We put our y-intercept as 6. We go down 3 and over 1. We get our second point, draw it here. Now, here's the line. So the line is intersecting with the y-axis. So anything above the line is greater than, anything below the line is less than. Because this particular problem here says less than or equal to, then we're going to shade below the line. Also, in terms of circles, this is the equation of a circle. This is an x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 4. So we know we have a circle with a center 0, 0, radius 2, 2, 2, 2. Because it's less than or equal to, it's inside the circle. If it were greater than or equal to, it would be outside. Also remember that less than or equal to is a solid line. Greater than or equal to is a solid line. But less than and just greater than are dashed lines. We come here to this system of two equations. Two equations we have are x plus y greater than or equal to 2, which of course I subtracted the x over and put it in slope-intercept form. The other equation is 2x minus y less than or equal to 4, which I subtracted the 2x over, then multiplied by a negative. And then I have to flip the sign. I put this red line here because I'm going to graph this and shade it in red. I put this green here because I'm going to graph it and shade it in green. So negative x plus 2 puts the y-intercept at 2, come down 1 over 1. Here's a solid red line. It's greater than or equal to, so we're shading above the line. Second equation, y greater than or equal to 2x minus 4 is going to be a green line. Start off with negative 4, go up 2 and over 1. There's our solid line. We're shading above this line. And our solution is where the green and the red come together. So when you're answering these problems, you can, shade like I did, or you can just shade the solution. Another problem that we have here, or system of inequalities, is x plus y less than or equal to 2, which I subtracted the x over and got y is less than or equal to negative x plus 2. I'm shading it in green. I have x plus y greater than or equal to 0, which I subtract the x over, and I got y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 0 in red. Graphing this one, start with 2 as the y-intercept, come down 1 over 1, got our green line, we're shading below it. Second equation, starting at 0, go down 1 and over 1, red solid line, we're shading above it. And I hope you can see where the red and the green come together is right here in this little part right here. That's our solution. There are some systems of equations that deal with nonlinear inequalities. In terms of this one, we have the first equation, which is y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 4, which is a quadratic. In terms of this one, we have x plus y less than or equal to 2, which is linear. Subtract the x over, we got y is less than or equal to negative x plus 2. And so what's happening here, we look at this, here's the actual graph. The red line is showing the linear equation. Here's our y-intercept at 2, we go down 1 and over 1 to our line shaped below it. This blue line is the quadratic. This is the x squared, but we're dropping down 4. This is our transformations here. And because it's less than, we're shading inside. And you can see from here that the solution is actually this part right here. It's in the purple.